Today we're bringing you another Instagram worthy video. This time it's Dababy and his daughter sharing a very special, wonderful, great Christmas moment. I love their bond. It's so beautiful. Check it out.
Who the best daddy in the world?
You.
It's still Christmas. It's still Christmas. Let's get it.
I can't wait to.
Get in there.
I like it. Let's see here. A Minnie Mouse kitchen. Let's see here. I like this. What's this? I like it.
You laying down your edges, boo.
It's more dresses than I have. I have all of it.
Tell y'all one thing about my baby. She dead ass about this princess shit. She do not play. Who the biggest princess in the world, baby?
Me.
Exactly. With no hesitation. That's how we get on. Say all that. I'm so excited.
I'm so excited too.
Wait. I think the cupcakes are ready.
Oh, the cupcakes are ready. Daddy, they're hot.
Okay, let me get one.
Huh? Okay. You just get a little bit.
Okay, thank you. Love you.
I'll get the pink one.
Love you.
I love you too.
Who the best daddy in the world?
You.
You kiss. Okay, you can play.
Clap my cupcake.
Oh, I'm sorry. Bye-bye.
Merry Christmas and happy holidays. I'm so excited to open my presents.
Love you, girl.
I love you.
Go crazy.